Welcome to M2Host. WordPress allows you to develop a variety of websites, from blogs to e-commerce stores. As a result, the WordPress database is important for your website. From posts and pages to user data and preferences, the database records everything digitally. However, digital trash, post revisions, and spam comments can increase over time, making browsing challenging. Data storage will slow your site. It may damage your website's ranking. Today we will learn how to optimize WordPress database using PHPMyAdmin. First, logged into your cPanel. Then look for Database section. Then click on the PHPMyAdmin. Select the WordPress database. Select the tables you want to optimize. Then scroll down and in the With Selected list box, select Optimize Table. PHPMyAdmin will inform you if the optimization process was successful. You have successfully optimized WordPress database using PHPMyAdmin. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates.